Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Hello everyone, very warm welcome to the session. So I'm here with a wonderful performer, a topper in IT Exam 2021. So I'm going to introduce with you guys. So with Ishita. So hi Ishita.
Hi, sir.
Yeah. So congratulations on your performance on IT Exam 2021. You did a wonderful job.
You.
Yeah, we're really proud of your performance. Like we're really proud of you. Like from your performance, we can say that yeah, we did something very good. So this is a session. This is a session with this is an interactive session with you, so that people could know about your performance strategy, your revision strategy, your note making strategy, your daily hour of study, everything which you have followed, so that if anyone could connect with you, they could follow that schedule, so that they could also do a great job as you. Okay, so welcome again. So I'm going to ask you some questions, some funny questions, also some questions about your examination. Most of the question will be about your examination. So first of all, can you please tell me, so when you have calculated your score, like answer key was always out, and what was your reaction?
First of all, I didn't just check it once. I did it multiple times just to make myself sure that what I'm calculating is correct or not. But once I was sure that, okay, now this is what I'll be getting, I was really happy. Like, I can't explain what was the level of my happiness at that time because I somewhere had expected that, I'll get good marks since I had done really well in the paper according to me, that I had
Your
done
hard
really
work.
well.
I
Yeah,
like
I thought that my hard work will pay off,
exactly.
and it did. It
Okay,
did.
that's a great thing. So you did not check once. So how much time you have checked the scores?
Yeah, I checked it about 5 to 6 times.
Okay,
I think I'm
and till
mentioning
now
less
you're not
only. I
sure.
remember checking it 5 to 6 times to make myself sure that, okay, this is what you will be getting.
Now you
Just to
are
make myself
believing.
sure.
Like before someday I was calling you and you have told me, so I'm not sure that I'm getting this much. So
Hmm.
now you're sure, right? Now you're assured. Now your hard work pays off.
Exactly.
Okay, so let me know about yourself, something about you, from where are you from, how your graduation, schooling, anything you want to share, anything you can share.
Okay, yes. So I'm from Delhi. I've done my schooling from here, and I'm completing my graduation from here itself. I'm pursuing zoology honors from Gargi College, University of Delhi, and I'm in third year right now. So,
Okay, so
and
just this year you are going to pass, like that's why you have appeared in the IT
yes,
exam
sir.
examination. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, I'll be passing out this year.
Okay, great. That's great. That's great. So जब आपने start किया था जाम का preparation, so कब आपने start किया था जाम का preparation? Like from which month?
I started preparing from June 2020.
Okay.
That-
अच्छा, so आप जब start किए थे preparation, तो आपने क्या सोचा था? Like आप self preparation करेंगे या आपको कहीं पर coaching लेना है या आप directly on academy join किए थे?
I actually knew about Unacademy since a long time.
Okay.
So I had decided that I'll uh, take my coaching and prepare through Unacademy only. I had
That's
already
great.
decided this long back.
ओके,
So
सो
I did
आपने
that.
कुछ स्पेशल क्लासेस देखे थे या डायरेक्टली आप प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन लिए थे?
Uh, I watched certain special classes first before taking the subscription. And when I was sure that now I want to prepare through Unacademy, I took the plus subscription of 1 year directly, not even
Okay.
6 months or 3. I
Yeah,
took it for 1 year.
that is a wise decision, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if at all you are determined, then you have to go for that work, and you have to work also, right? Teachers will
Yes,
only
sir. We
guide.
have to.
First thing is you
Yes.
have to work. Like teacher will teach every student. Like there are 100 students there, if at all there are 200 students, he or she has to deliver the same thing to the 200 students, right? So
Totally.
how you are performing, how you are putting your hard work, that also matters. That is the major part, right? Okay, that's good. So, like this year, like IIT Jam abhi CBT mode पे हो रहा है, right? Computer based mode. So, have you ever given any examination computer based mode? कोई exam आपने
Yeah,
computer based
I
mode पे दिया है? Okay.
yes, sir. I had given exams in computer-based mode earlier also. So it was not the first time I was giving an exam that was in CBT mode. So I
Okay.
was pretty comfortable with it. Like I didn't face any
Okay.
issues while
So,
giving.
not with that scientific calculator or nothing, right?
No, sir. No.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you my the next question. So आपने जो एग्जाम का प्रिपरेशन किया था इससे पहले लाइक दिल्ली में भी बहुत सारे कोचिंग सेंटर होंगे लाइक आईआईटी एग्जाम के लिए या इट इज नॉट देयर?
They are they are there. So
ओके,
a lot
सो
of coaching centers.
आपने मतलब ऑनलाइन क्यों चूज किया लाइक ऑफलाइन क्यों नहीं लिए?
Actually, before preparing only in when I was in second year, I had already decided that when I start preparing for IIT JAM, I'll go for online coaching only. I won't opt for any offline coaching because that way I'll be able to manage my college also along
Exactly.
with the preparation as well. So I thought online is the best mode, and due to the COVID pandemic, we had to go online. We
Like
had no
हाँ,
option.
yeah, yeah, we
So
are bound for that.
that was.
And
But if
online में
had the
आपका जो है
pandemic,
like you don't have to face the traffic or anything, like you have to
yes,
travel
so
now wherever
exactly,
you are
and
going, you have to travel, like that time is also you are saving that
exactly.
time. You can
So it
like chill at that time, like you can listen to music, you can see watch a movie, you can talk to your friends or anything you can do at that time, something productive rather than you have to go through that pollution thing.
so was the if the pandemic was not there,
Yeah,
even then I would have gone for online coaching only.
yeah, that is
मैं
a
तब
great
भी
decision.
offline की
Yeah.
नहीं करती.
Likewise, Ajif, I have felt initially थोड़ा दिक्कत होता है लाइक क्योंकि हम लोग एक ट्रेडिशनल वे से पढ़ के आए हैं लाइक कन्वेंशनल वे लाइक
हाँ yeah,
वो चॉक एंड डस्टर
I
वाला
understand it.
एवरीथिंग राइट. सो
बिल्कुल
उसके
बिल्कुल
बाद
बिल्कुल.
जब हम लोग एक ट्रांजिशन पे जाते हैं, एनी ट्रांजिशन यू विल फेस इन लाइफ और एनी हो, सो आपको दिक्कत होता है राइट कि कहीं पर भी ट्रांजिशन
Definitely.
हम लोग करते हैं लाइक लाइक ह्यूमन आर वेरी अडेप्टेबल, वी आर फॉर देयर अडेप्टेशन, हम लोग अडेप्ट कर लेंगे. तो वही अडेप्ट हो जाता है धीरे धीरे लाइक लेट्स ट्राई, लेट्स गिव इट अ ट्राई, होता ही है. That's a great thing I heard from you. Great. So what are the benefits of online coaching according to you, and how?
Number one is flexibility of time. You can like decide at what time you want to watch the lecture when you're in the correct state of mind, when your mind is open to take in whatever will be delivered to you. I think that is one advantage. And the second is time. It saves a lot of time.
Exactly.
Online coaching saves a lot of time.
You
So
can
that is
just speed up the videos, you can go through the recordings. If at all
exactly,
anything was
exactly.
missed, anything you did not understand, you can watch it again and you can revise also for a second time that I did not got that
Definitely,
concept and I can check that concept again. That's a great thing.
definitely.
So how the plus subscription helped you?
It actually helped me a lot. Like I can't even explain how beneficial it was for me, and I was really happy that I took the decision of taking the subscription of Unacademy for straight 1 year, like not for 6 months and then renewing it again. I took it for 1 year straight, and the best thing is the availability of recordings. So if even if like during a lecture I was not able to note down something, or I was more interested in understanding what was being taught rather than noting it down. So I thought कि वो मुझे पता था कि रिकॉर्डिंग बाद में अवेलेबल होगी, so I can always go back and revise the concepts. तो मैं हमेशा ये करती थी, like during my revision also, I used to put the videos on 2x and revise what all was taught in that subject. So I've done that, and plus subscription helps a lot. It really does.
So have you ever seen the special classes after taking the plus subscription? Special
Yes,
classes?
yes, I have.
Okay,
Yes, so
great,
I have
great. Because
taken
maximum
stuff.
educators I have seen, even me also, we are just doing the question answer sessions on the special classes. Like it was benefit for everyone, so that everyone should get benefited from that. Okay,
Questions
so
are very important, so I
yeah,
always
exactly.
attended session classes.
So have you attended the revision series, that mock test in the IT Jam? Like they
Yes, sir, I have. And what I used to do was I made a separate register for revision
okay,
altogether. Like
exactly.
for the revision classes, I made a separate register and I just used to note down things in that register only.
Okay,
I
yeah.
and before the exam, I revised that. I revised that only. That's it.
Okay,
That
so
revision register.
have you given the mock tests? Mock test
Yes,
Unacademy पे हो
sir.
रहा था ना, like free mock tests.
Hmm.
Okay, so have you just checked where you are standing there or anything like that boost your confidence or not?
Yes, I always used to do that after giving the mock test. If sometimes I was not able to give it live, तो फिर मैं live तो मैं थोड़ा बाद में उसको दे देती थी.
Yeah, it
But मैं
was
देती
available.
जरूर थी mock test.
Okay,
Mock
okay.
test मैं देती जरूर थी. I think कभी मैंने skip किया होगा अगर कोई. वो भी मैंने jam से पहले I made sure कि मैं complete कर दूं. मैं सारे mock test दे दूं jam से पहले ही.
Yeah,
तो
yeah, that's
मैंने वो
great.
काम किया था. I think that is very important to attempt mock tests.
Yeah,
So
very
I
good.
did.
So any other special book you have followed? कोई special book आप follow की थी like topic wise or anything? Yeah,
Uh,
complete single book for whole topic for revision or anything. Yeah, you just follow your notes.
I actually, it was a combination of all three. I
Okay,
used to see, I have a habit of reading standard books.
okay,
So
yeah,
during college also, when we used to have any tests or any books that have been written in in the suggested readings, I used to read those standard books like
okay,
Leninger. I've read Leninger. I've
yeah,
read Park. I've read Bruce Alberts, then QB. So these all are standard books that I follow,
okay,
and uh, I prefer reading it from a hard copy, not a soft copy. So I
okay,
used to go to the library, I used to read the books, or even if it is in my computer, the part that I want to read, I used to take out a print of it and I
okay,
used to read that, highlight
okay,
the important points. So reading standard books is very important. And besides that, I also had Pathfinder with me. So for quick revision, I used to follow Pathfinder. But for thorough reading, I always went for the standard books.
okay. That's great. Actually, the in your college they have made that habit to study from there, right?
Yes, sir, they
Yeah,
have.
yeah, yeah.
Mhm.
Because yeah, at Delhi University they just follow this thing. I know that. That's a very
And I
good thing.
thank them for that, for like
Yeah, made the
doing that,
practice of
for
that
yeah.
reading the books.
And it is very important. Otherwise, just relying on the notes which you get from somewhere, I think that is not enough. You have to read the standard books and then
Exactly.
highlight the important points. So that is very important.
Very good. Okay, so the thing is, in the examination hall, in the examination hall, you are around your competitors, right? And you're sitting with wearing the mask like this time in a
Mhm.
new condition. So, how was the stress on you? How you face that stress, or what you feel like in the examination hall?
So first of all, when I reached the center, I didn't expect that a lot of students will be there, but there were a lot of students at the center. So actually, my stress level started rising from that time only. But then I calmed myself down that I have to write the exam, so
Exactly.
better calm down. Then I went inside, and the mask actually was not a hindrance at all. Once you start, you're in the flow of answering the questions. You
Exactly.
don't really care about the mask, so
Yeah.
that was not a problem. But seeing a lot of students and your competitors, I think that is something that raised my anxiety level to some point. But then I calmed myself down that okay, even I have studied
Yeah.
and I've come here, I've
Exactly.
reached till here, so I'll do good. So just believe
Exactly.
in I
Yeah, that's a
believed in
great
myself
thing.
at that point.
So, during your preparation, so आप stress release के लिए क्या करते थे? Like movie या anything? Like at that time, Corona was there also. Like you can't
Yeah,
go
yeah.
out. तो आप क्या करती थी?
So I used to make sure that I'm not using my phone for releasing my stress. I used to leave my phone after attending good amount of classes and like decent amount of study that I know that I have to do today. I used to
Okay.
leave my phone. I used to go out and I used to talk to my parents
Okay.
or sit with them for a while and just talk about anything but not studies. That's what I used to do.
Okay. No friends, nothing. You're just studying, studying,
I used
studying.
to talk to my friends also. I used to talk to my
Okay.
friends.
Okay.
So I used to avoid my phone till whatever extent I could.
Okay. No
Extent I
movies,
could.
no TV, nothing.
Very
Only
rarely. I
study.
watch movies
Oh my
very
God.
rarely.
You're very
Not exactly
studious.
that, but I watch movies very rarely. Like I don't. like watching movies.
Okay. Music or anything, dance,
Yeah,
nothing.
music. Yeah, definitely. Two things. One is music, and one is talking to my parents.
Okay.
These are the
Also,
two things that I used to do.
acha.
Enough
So
for me.
your stress buster is two things, music and this thing. Okay, so like you are kind of introvert person, like you are just enjoying among yourself, right? Okay.
I am very introvert. I am very introverted kind of person.
Okay, that's not an issue. Very good. So, uh, what is the future plans? Like, if at all you are getting MSc at IIT, like in the counseling process, or a very good college, like in your Delhi University itself, there are also a lot of good colleges. So, what is your future plan?
First is to I want to make a career in biotechnology, and this is something that I decided long back because biotechnology as a field it interests me a lot, and I know that there is a lot of modifications that can be done, or there is still we have a long way to go in the field of biotechnology as well.
We can
Gene
explore a lot of
manipulation,
things. Yeah.
yeah, exactly. Gene manipulation is something that has always been like is something that I've always wanted to do. मैं हमेशा से कुछ करना चाहती थी इसी field में. Like I like reading about techniques, even if it is not like something
In
which is
your
part of a
syllabus.
course.
Yeah.
I'll still go to YouTube or any other platform and watch videos related to new techniques that are coming up because I like reading about the techniques. Then gene manipulation, transgenics again is something that interests me a lot. And then vaccine development is a field that I really want to explore.
Okay, it's a great thing. Like, okay, tell me, who is your ideal? Like, your inspiration?
I think my parents, they are the biggest source of inspiration for me because like how I think I get my dedication from them is what I believe
Okay.
sometimes कि वो जितने dedicated हैं, how diligently they do whatever task is given to them, how sincere they are, how dedicated they are in whatever they do. So I
Exactly.
think that is something that has always inspired me. It's not now, always. Since
Yeah,
I
yeah.
was a kid, used to watch them
Hard
hard
work.
work,
Yeah.
and used to watch
Yeah.
them doing hard work, then work, doing everything so, doing everything with so much dedication. Like I was like, I want to be like them.
Okay,
In
great.
whatever walk of life I am, I want to be like them, like be dedicated as they are in doing whatever they are doing. So I think my parents are my biggest
Okay.
inspiration.
So, just tell me some key points to get success in the IIT examination.
Okay, number one is please read the syllabus carefully, what they are expecting out of you, because the syllabus is very important. You shouldn't like be like, "Eh, अच्छा ये है तो मेरे को extra करना है." नहीं,
Mhm.
whatever is given in the syllabus,
Exactly.
you
Yeah.
do that and stick to the syllabus.
Yeah.
Don't go here and there के ऐसा है, confuse नहीं होना है. The
Yeah.
syllabus is in front of you.
And
It's
even the
pretty clear.
syllabus is just they have retained the words only. This word like
Exactly.
ecology, genetics, right? So you have
Exactly.
to study
So you
everything,
know
like
that you have to
exactly,
study the entire thing, right? So
exactly,
I
yeah,
think there is no point of getting confused only. What is the
exactly.
point of confusion if
Yeah,
everything is in
so
front of you?
like I used to get question from the students like, sir, ये आप पढ़ा रहे हैं ये question में आएगा? Like I'm not making the question.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm
But
also
I know because I also sometimes used to ask these
yeah,
kind
yeah,
of
yeah,
questions
yeah,
to
yeah.
my teachers because then I actually I have read the syllabus. I think the syllabus itself I've read 2 to 3 times before starting the
Yeah, yeah,
preparation.
yeah,
But during the preparation, I used to make sure that I read the syllabus every week once. I
yeah,
used
yeah.
to go through it. Okay, so these are the topics that I've done, and these are the topics that are frequently asked in the exam on the basis of previous year question paper. So I should pay more attention to these
Exactly, yeah.
topics. But again, it is not decided that from this topic only the question will come. So you have to study everything. All I'm saying is that the syllabus is your Bible. That is very important because on the basis of that only you start your preparation. And Another thing that I faced, and I don't want anyone else to face, is that I sometimes used to procrastinate very little. That अच्छा अभी topic पढ़ा है, तो I'll make notes after some time.
Okay.
But I think I corrected my that attitude.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think वो बहुत important. You shouldn't procrastinate. Another thing that is very important is what I used to also follow is, even if I'm not studying or doing any new topic in a day, I always made sure that I practice at least, I can't count, but I made sure that I practice a good amount of MCQs
Yeah,
from
that's a good thing.
PCMB, not only from biology, from
Exactly, yeah.
PCMB, because
Yeah,
all
yeah.
the 4 subjects are coming in the exam.
Exactly, yeah.
So you have to, and there is no escape from
Yeah.
question solving. You have to do. Even if you study one book and you don't solve any MCQs related to it, I don't think it's of any use. कोई
Exactly,
फायदा
yeah.
ही नहीं हुआ तुम्हारे पढ़ने का if you don't
MCQ
follow the
अगर
question.
practice नहीं करोगे, questions practice नहीं करोगे, तो डर
Exactly.
नहीं भागेगा.
Or
Like,
if I have studied plant physiology as a whole,
yeah,
I used to take out the question papers, the past year question papers of biological sciences and biotech,
like
IIT
JNU,
JAM question
BHU
papers.
question papers.
All,
Exactly.
every possible question paper that I used to get a hold of, I used to search the questions related to the topics that I've already covered, or I used to practice them then and there. मैं बात के लिए नहीं छोड़ती कि सिलेबस कंप्लीट होगा तभी जाके मैं प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करूंगी. नेवर. एंड आई थिंक मैंने प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स ही 3-4 बार कर लिए सारे. So
Acha, yeah, if
that
at all you're
helps a
following
lot.
daily, if at all you're following
Mhm.
daily, then you have to.
I was.
Okay, that's a good thing.
Yes, it is that don't stress.
Yeah,
Go through the
finally.
syllabus once.
Yeah.
Yeah, go through the syllabus one. Please don't stress at all, because it really makes no difference. It just adds up to your anxiety. That's it. That's all it does. So
Exactly.
tension mat lo, and just calmly prepare yourself. I know there'll be certain low points also when you will not get marks in mock
Exactly.
tests also.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But don't take it, don't take it as कि मेरे क्यों नहीं आए, मैंने तो
Yeah.
पढ़ा था. हो जाता है कभी कभी.
हाँ.
ऐसे नहीं कि हमेशा ही
Bad
what
days
you've
and good
studied
days
will
are
be
there.
there. Bad and good days are there, and so take it, take it as a lesson कि अभी मुझे और अच्छे से पढ़ना
Yeah,
है.
if at all you have not scored in that particular topic, then you have to work on that topic. That is the
Exactly,
thing.
and
You have to work.
obviously there are weak points and good points of weak points and high points of every person. Like weak and strong points. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
In topics also, that you're strong in this topic.
Exactly.
So you don't have to pay a lot of attention to it. You can do it anyway, even if you revise it once or twice.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
the topics that you're really weak in, you have to work on them. And another suggestion is that whenever you're practicing mock tests, and you realize, okay, this is the particular topic that I'm not able to solve, be it from any subject, PCMB, कहीं से भी हो, note it down, लिखो उसको कि ये गलत था और मुझे ये करना है.
Exactly.
और एक और चीज़ है, if you get new information through a question, like if it was a factual question and you weren't able to solve it, but you saw the solution, so note it down कि वो fact and this can be done. So write it in your notebook.
And if at all making a wrong question, like making a question wrong, then it should it generally in mind, it generally retain in the mind for a longer time. If at all making a wrong anything, then it will remain in the mind for a longer time. So yeah,
I have made a lot of mistakes,
exactly,
and this is the time you can afford to make mistakes.
Exactly.
So make as many mistakes as you want, but don't
and
let
learn
them
from them.
demotivate you.
Yeah, learn from them. The first thing is you have to
Exactly.
learn from them. Yeah.
Don't let them demotivate you at all, because abhi to final exam year, right? You can afford mistakes right now. बहुत अच्छे से कर सकते हैं, and do as many mistakes as you want.
Exactly.
But make sure that doesn't happen during the exams. तो वो तुम्हारे लिए lesson रहेगा कि अभी मैंने सीख लिया ना, तो अब मेरे को exam में ये चीज गलत नहीं करनी. Because I remember a lot of questions that I did wrong while practicing, and they were in JAM, and I did them correctly there.
Yeah.
That happens.
Exactly.
That definitely happens.
Okay, so I think just you have put a lot of things over here. Like they are enough. They are more than enough to get somebody in a track. Like if at all they have not started it, they can also start from now. So it's a very good conversation with you. Thank you so much for connecting, Ishita, and thank you so much. Wishing you all the very best for your future. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you.